Today, we're going to compare a 48 volt versus a 72 volt lithium golf cart battery.
GolfCartingTV is your inside source for the coolest upgrades, mods, and accessories to take your trusty golf cart from drab to fab.
Hey there, and welcome back to GolfCartingTV. My name is Matt with Converted Carts. Excited to have you back here today. We've got something special for you. This is actually, we're going to look at Bolt Energy did a great video and compared a 48 volt 105 amp hour lithium battery with a 72 volt 105 amp hour lithium golf cart battery. And the details are great. The information is fantastic. So if you are considering going to lithium or considering bumping up from a smaller lithium into a bigger something, I think today's video is going to be very helpful and educational and a little fun. Actually, to me, it was kind of fun watching and just getting some of the details of the difference between the two. Real world testing. They look at load tests, range tests, speed tests, and get you all the details. So let's jump in and take a look.
Hey guys, Corey with Bolt Energy USA. Welcome to the 48 versus 72 volt comparison video. This video will analyze the differences in torque, range, and speed between 48 volt and 72 volt golf cart systems. We will discuss the specifications of each battery and perform several real-world tests that will demonstrate the amazing capabilities of both the 51.2 volt and 73.6 volt lithium golf cart batteries by Bolt Energy USA. Caution: speed and torque are determined by the vehicle's motor and controller output. Upgrading any vehicle above original manufactured specifications is not recommended. Always have a trained golf cart technician perform all battery maintenance on your vehicle. Let's jump right in and look at the 51 and 73 volt batteries. The 51 volt 105 amp hour lithium golf cart battery comes in two sizes, the thin and the mini. They have the same exact specs, they're just packaged differently, so they fit inside every make and model golf cart with little to no tray modifications. The 51 volt 105 amp hour batteries by Bolt Energy USA are perfect for upgraded as well as stock golf carts. The 73.6 volt 105 amp hour power battery by Bolt Energy USA is larger than the 51 volt batteries, but it is still small enough to fit inside nearly every make and model golf cart. The 73 volt battery is compatible with upgraded drive systems as well as factory 72 volt systems. Let's go ahead and compare the numbers. The most obvious difference between the two batteries is voltage. You will increase your system's voltage 50% when you upgrade from 48 volts to 72 volts. Higher voltages will generate more RPMs as well as provide greater system efficiency. The 51.2 volt has a watt-hour rating of 5,376, while the 73.6 volt has a watt-hour rating of 7,728. That is an increase of 43.75% more stored energy. Amp-hour ratings can be a good indicator of the battery's range capabilities, and while both batteries have a rating of 105 amp hours, the increased efficiency of the 72 volt system will generate far more driving range per charge cycle. Stick around for the range test results to see exactly how much more drive time was achieved with the 72 volt system. Enough with the data, let's quickly discuss how we are going to compare these batteries. We are going to load, range, and speed test each battery under the same conditions and analyze the capabilities of the Bolt Energy USA 51 and 73 volt batteries. We are going to be using two identical year, make, and model golf cars with nearly identical upgrades. The golf cart's drive system dictates the power and speed output of the vehicle. The lithium battery simply stores the energy required to power the system. Both golf cars used in this video have been upgraded to the Navitas AC drive system, which includes the 600 amp controller and the 5 kilowatt motor. Each test performed will use the pre-existing Bolt Energy USA profiles in the Navitas app. J. Todd DeSalt, Sales Director of Navitas Vehicle Systems, highlights the compatibility of Navitas drive systems powered by Bolt Energy USA lithium golf cart batteries. At some point, you're going to have 3 of your buddies or adult family members on the golf cart. Will your Bolt Energy USA lithium battery be able to handle the heavier than usual load, or will it shut off due to being over discharged? Not only would that be embarrassing, it could potentially be dangerous. To show the incredible ability of Bolt Energy USA batteries, we are going to put 4 male adults on the golf cart and run uphill at full speed. The total load weight is going to be 864 pounds between the 4 male adults. The hill is at a 15% grade. First up is the 51 volt battery. I feathered into it just enough to keep the front wheels from rising, but still accelerated as quickly as I could. The amps rose from 5.3 to the peak amp draw of 329 amps before dropping down to 261.7 amps, and then the amps drop off as we crest the hill. The 51 volt battery handled the larger load easily. I could feel the load weight, but at no time did I feel a lack of momentum. We accelerated steadily the entire way up the hill. At no time did we come close to exceeding the discharge rates of the 51.2 volt Bolt Energy USA battery. Next up is the 72 volt, and it's safe to say it will have no problem handling the 864 pounds after seeing how well the 51 volt performed. Due to the weight on the back and the additional power of the 72 volt, we had to ease into the acceleration a little bit. The amps rose slowly from 0 to 165.8. The peak amp draw was 292.1 amps before dropping off as we got to the top of the hill. The overall torque generated by the 72 volt system is impressive to say the least. You can really feel the 50% increase in voltage as the golf cart steadily accelerated up the hill. The 72 volt system will still pull you back in your seat uphill with all your buddies on the cart. Range is one of the most important factors when deciding which lithium golf cart battery to purchase. We are going to drive the 51 and 73 volt batteries from 100% state of charge to 0% charge and see how many miles we can get out of a charge cycle. The route is residential with a good mix of start, stops, turns, and straightaways. We will add 425 pounds of passenger weight to simulate an average load. The route will be driven similar to how I would drive if my family were on the golf cart. The top speed achieved was 22 miles per hour, and the average speed was 17 miles per hour. The 51 volt Bolt Energy USA battery performed exactly as advertised. We started at 100%, and after 10.98 miles, we had dropped down to 75%. At 50%, we had traveled 22.24 miles. 25%, we had driven 32.59 miles. And the dash-mounted state of charge meter displayed 0% charge at a very impressive 44.54 miles. It's pretty awesome that this small single-unit battery can safely reach distances upwards of 40 miles on a single charge. Even at 0%, we still had full acceleration. Next up is the 73.6 volt power battery by Bolt Energy USA. Starting at 100%, we traveled 15.76 miles before reaching 75%. At 50%, we hit the 33.09 mark. At 25% state of charge, the GPS showed 49.72 miles. Ultimately, we reached 0% state of charge after reaching the 67-mile marker on the GPS tracker. The increase in range from 44.54 miles to 67.1 miles is a 50.65% increase. It is mind-blowing that Bolt Energy USA batteries can power a golf cart for such long distances. But as my good buddy Brandon says, no one goes 72 volt for the range. Golf carts are not meant to be raced. They were created to carry old men around a golf course. But everyone knows men will literally race anything. If you have an upgraded system that exceeds the manufactured specs of the vehicle, you can achieve unsafe speeds with a 72-volt drive system. We want to demonstrate the increase in speed, but in a safe manner. The distance we will be traveling is shorter, and we'll demonstrate how much quicker the 72-volt system will get up to speed rather than a total top-end speed. My good buddy Brandon Hudson was nice enough to come out and bring the Bear for some side-by-side acceleration shots. This was just prior to my 73-volt battery upgrade, so I will be representing the 48-volt system, and Brandon and the Bear will represent the 72-volt system. Side by side, the increase in power is obvious right from the jump. There is no doubt in the first 2 seconds on how this comparison will go. The 72-volt system pulls away from the 48-volt system immediately and throughout the entire race. The 73-volt battery accelerates much quicker than the 51-volt due to the overall power increase. It must be noted that the acceleration of the 51-volt battery is beyond satisfactory, and honestly, the 72-volt system gets scary above 30 miles per hour. The summary is the 51-volt 105 amp hour lithium golf cart battery by Bolt Energy USA can achieve very impressive ranges and speeds, as well as handle above average loads. The 51.2 volt 105 amp hour are perfect for stock golf carts, but they can handle the upgraded golf cart drive systems perfectly. It has to be noted that there is a higher amp hour rated 51 volt battery. The 51 volt 160 amp hour has 8,192 watt hours, more watt hours than the 73 volt. The 160 amp hour big is perfect for anyone that wants to stay 48 volts but needs extended runtime. I look forward to comparing the 51 volt 160 amp hour to the 73 volt 105 amp hour battery in the very near future. The 73 volt 105 amp hour lithium golf cart battery by Bolt Energy USA can achieve 40 to 50% more of everything. The 72 volt systems will drive a golf cart farther, faster, and with much more power.
Well, I hope that was helpful. Like I said, it was educational for me, informative for me, and I know a lot of people are always asking what's the difference and all that kind of stuff. So I think it was good information just to be able to get some of those things answered. So hope that was great. Leave some comments. Let us know what you think. If you have an opinion one way or the other, be sure to like and subscribe and share this video, and we will see you here next week, Wednesday at noon. Every week we drop a new episode. See you then.